Hi, and thank you for choosing Learn Direct. Spend just a few minutes watching this short video and we'll have you up and learning with your GCSE, IGCSE, A-Level or IA-Level course in no time. Okay, your journey starts with an email, so let's head to your inbox. You should have an email from noreply@atomlms.co.uk. If it's not there, check your spam or junk folder. This email contains your username and a link to activate your account. Click or tap the link to activate your account. Add the email address you used when you bought the course and set your password. When everything's gone green, hit continue. As this is your first visit to the learning portal, you need to complete your profile. You can come back and do this later, but why wait? Hit start to do it right away. We've broken the process down into a few simple steps. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be done in no time. Your course includes deadlines to help you get ready in time for your exam. You can change the deadlines for each unit, but you cannot change the end date. We've included this feature to help you manage your learning and fit it around the time you have available for study. Don't worry, you don't have to make these decisions now. You can edit your study plan at any time. For this video, we're going to leave everything as it is. At the end, you'll find a list of what you can expect from us and what we expect from you in return. Most of us skip over this sort of thing, but please do take the time to read through the bullet points. There aren't very many. Sign the box at the bottom to confirm that you've read the list of requirements. You can do this with your finger if you have a touchscreen or with your mouse. And that's it. Everything's set and you're ready to start learning. This is your homepage. You can get to everything you need from here. The all-important link to your course is here. We'll take a proper look at this a little later in the video. Down here, you'll find reminders for upcoming events and deadlines. Over here, you'll find your profile details and account information. So, if you want to change your profile information, check your orders or manage your payments, this is where you need to go. Use the ribbon across the top of the homepage to move around the portal. Switch between courses, if you've purchased more than one, and use the messaging system. You can find out about all of this in the help area, which is also on the ribbon. Okay, now let's take a quick look at a course and how it's put together. This is an A-level course, but GCSEs, IGCSEs and IA-levels work in the same way. Tap or click Continue Studying to go straight to the course page, where you'll find all the units in your course. GCSEs, A-levels and their international versions build your knowledge and skills in steps, so you'll need what you learn in early units to properly and fully understand the course content and assignments in later units. Doing the units out of order will just make your course a whole lot harder. We're not going to look at individual units here, but we do want to draw your attention to Units 1 and 2, a couple of short units that will help you make the most of your purchase. Unit 1 is full of guidance and tips on managing your time, setting goals, and organising your work, all of which are essential for making a success of your GCSE, IGCSE, A-Level or IA-Level. Unit 2 tells you how your course and the exam you'll take at the end of it are put together. Unit 2 also includes some great tips on studying. Don't skip these two short introduction units. In our experience, learners who complete Units 1 and 2 are much better prepared and ultimately more successful than those who don't. The subject content for your course starts at Unit 3. The total number of units in your course will depend on the subject and the qualification you're studying. And again, please work through your units in order. Jumping around makes the course far more difficult. And that's everything you need to get started. If you need more information, we've got help pages and FAQs that cover 99% of the questions learners ask. Thank you for watching, and we wish you well with your studies.